This year, the 3D printer is really new for me, and it looks very modern and like a future.
About the flatbed printer, 200 square meters per hour for such a machine is also very good capacity.
I am Karina Guzman, and I'm the designer of these jumpsuits. As you can see, the colors, they are really nice and vibrating.
What I like about the applications is the details and the colors. Nice. My favorite is, I think this one.
Those gadgets is really impressive that they can print it in one run.
They are very clear. You don't see that it's printed.
And I also like the keychains.